25-26 साल हुए थे काम करते हुए, मैंने अपनी लाइफ में आज तक ऑडिशन नहीं किया.
With a very mainstream narrative, with something which allows a lot of people to engage with the space, with the characters.
We shot most of this show in Sikkim and a lot of places, and we had such a great experience thanks to the people of the Northeast.
I feel very grateful to be put in a position where I'm part of a show like this, with the director like Amit.
I have done this show after meeting Amit because I think he's a wonderful director. एक कहावत है ना, in everything no pain no gain. So अगर अच्छी चीज चाहिए तो थोड़ी मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी.
Sanjay sir and Karma, welcome on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Pleasure.
The last star is coming up. How excited are you?
Well, I'm extremely excited. This is something very, very special. Just not for me, but I think so for the OTT platform itself, because it's the first time something of this genre it's coming, where it's a supernatural crime thriller. This kind of genre has not yet come in this kind of a big platform. So it's extremely exciting to be part of something so special.
So when was it that you shot for it, sir?
We shot for it 2 years back in Sikkim and a lot of places in Northeast. And we would have come probably sometime last year. But unfortunately, because of the pandemic things, though we had finished shooting, but our post got delayed because of the pandemic. So we lost about 6-7 months because of that. But finally we are here, 14th of May. It's on Amazon Prime Video, so just can't wait for it. 3 more days to go.
All right, Karma, welcome on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure.
Tell us, what was the brief that was given to you, and how special is this release for you?
Very special. Yeah, I feel very grateful to be put in a position where I'm part of a show like this, with the director like Amit, co-actors like Sanjay and Shahana, so many people associated with this. There's so much of honesty with which we try to do what we did. And also because it's special, because it allows us to the possibility of representing a certain space into the mainstream, which feels a little underrepresented given right now, has been underrepresented for the matter for quite some time. So it gives us a lot of pleasure to be able to do this, to put it out there into the mainstream on a platform like Amazon, which is it's a big deal for us. Yeah. So
you said
excited for
underrepresented for quite some time now, and so obviously you're referring to the way the Northeast has not been maybe presented. It's a beautiful. The entire area is extremely beautiful, and a lot of people, they have not really explored it as well.
I would like to add, the place is beautiful and the people are even better. We shot most of this show in Sikkim and a lot of places, and we had such a great experience thanks to the people of the Northeast.
Right. Karma, you'd like to add something to it?
I mean, I can't start praising Sikkim because I'm from there itself, so I can't start praising it. But I mean, for me, it was like, because you're home. So I was literally shooting home or close to home. So for me, it's been a great experience. And like I said, that it feels good that we are able to put something out there into the mainstream, with a very mainstream narrative, with something which allows a lot of people to engage with the space, with the characters, which want to project a certain level of authenticity towards what they are trying to portray.
Okay, and what do you think is the importance of maybe a better infrastructure and better connectivity in terms of travel as far as Northeast is concerned?
That's very important. You can't shoot if there is no connectivity. I mean, you can. I mean, it takes much more effort to do that. And I think a lot of people get, I think, also maybe thrown off in terms of shooting in the Northeast purely because of these logistical issues. So hopefully, I mean, it's one helps the other, when you have more exposure into the mainstream and you have more possibilities of people wanting to do things over there, it in turn will help with the infrastructure at the same time. So I think it helps one another. So hopefully, if tomorrow, in future, when there is more stuff that happens out from the space, then hopefully we'll get better infrastructure, better logistical support also. And better.
I'm quite sure, because what happens, I've noticed, a lot of people are followers. Like Amit is not a follower. Amit was very, very keen to shoot. He also knew it's going to be extremely tough, but he just wanted, because he knew this location is just not a location; it's a character of the show. and he wanted something new so that it just adds to the eeriness and it just adds to the ambience. So he took that effort, and I coming from Mumbai, I can really tell you it was extremely tough to shoot there, to travel there. I was there for the longest of time. Even if it's not that you have 4 days break that you can come back. You know, you to reach back to Mumbai, it used to take a day. But trust me, it was worth the effort, because this kind of a thing, एक कहावत है ना, in everything, no pain, no gain. So, अगर अच्छी चीज चाहिए तो थोड़ी मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी. And I'm sure after this shows up, a lot of people will be going to Sikkim to shoot their movies and shows.
All right, and so Sanjay sir, you're a Punjabi, and obviously you guys are foodies. Something about the food, because the Northeast food is very different from anything that you get in other parts of the country.
In fact, you won't believe, just before talking to you, I was giving an interview and I said, everybody talks about the locales and everything of Sikkim. For me, the people and the food is outstanding over there. It's
Right.
all organic. I'm like you said, I'm a pure non-veg, but I've never enjoyed vegetarian food so much the way I enjoyed in Sikkim. Obviously, there was great non-veg also, but the vegetarian quality of food and the way the preparation, everything was unbelievable. Means I miss the food. I've taken photographs of the menu cards of a lot of places and everything, and great food over there. So
And I must say, most conversations with Sanjay more often than not ends with food.
food, yeah.
Exactly. So this is a very typical Kapoor trait.
Of Amit, Karma, Shan, and myself, called Meals and Laughter. We used to shoot the whole day, but we used to always have dinner together. And I used to, order the food or wherever I got the chance and say, "Yaar, tell my guy, jaake bolna, ye bana hai, wo bana hai, ye bana hai." So they were all depending. We 7-8 people used to eat together. So I used to say, "Aaj ye vegetarian banana." So it used to be fun, and we used to that was probably, with the hard day's work, you just unwind without talking about what you've done. That's the best way to unwind, is laugh about totally different things, talk about food and everything, and still to be together and still be in that whole thing of the last hour in that room, but without talking about what we've done. Yeah, and I want to give you an example. After we were there for nearly 3 months. And after 2 months, the other producer, Asif Kapadia, came to the shoot. And then he asked me, how's it going? And we were in a dining table where we were all sitting, just not us, the other unit members also. And I said, agar 2 mahine ke baad in a place like Sikkim, if we are not sitting in our rooms and eating food, obviously we are having such a great time, we can still be together and still, otherwise kya hota hai ki you feel ki yaar pura din ho gaye, 2 mahine ho gaye, मैं अपने रूम में बैठूंगा, iPad पे कोई पिक्चर देखूंगा. I want my time, but we still wanted to be with each other. So that shows, when you see the whole show, you will see that kind of, which is not hidden. Maybe you're playing different characters, but the warmth of all the characters come across because we were all putting in more than 100% for the show.
Okay, so you spoke about Asif Kapadia now. He's the director of Warrior. With Irfan Khan, Irfan's first movie in many ways, and recently his documentary on Maradona has been appreciated all across the world. What sort of experience was it to collaborate with a mind like that?
It was great. See, for us, the collaboration, for me, obviously Asif was there. It felt good that Asif is part of the thing, but for me, it was Amit all the way. It was all Amit. I was interacting with Amit, and I have done this show after meeting Amit because I think he's a wonderful director. The first 10 minutes when he came to meet me, because when he wanted me to do this part, within 10 minutes, I had not seen his work, but I just knew that he has this X factor. There's something very honest about him. And whatever he's saying, he's not trying to impress me. He's just saying it very casually and matter-of-factly. And you won't believe, मैंने 25 साल उस वक्त जब मुझे मिला था, 25-26 साल हो गए थे काम करते हुए, मैंने अपनी लाइफ में आज तक ऑडिशन नहीं किया. So Amit said, I'm very, very happy at seeing your work, and I feel that, there's so much you can offer. I recently saw Love Stories. That's the reason I'm here. And I think so you're really good. You're a very good actor. But the only thing I want you to do is I want to see whether you look the part around. So he said, I want you to do the audition. But there was something about Amit, which was, like I said, was so honest that after 26 years, it's no big deal to do an audition. But after 26 years to do for the first time, I think so it's a big deal. But I just went with the flow and I did it. And I feel very, happy with myself that this I have got with doing an audition and getting this part. That means I convinced the director, I convinced Asif, convinced Amazon that I'm the right person for this film. So
All right.
That's my experience. Sir.
Right. Now, Karma, we've had Mr. Danny Denzongpa from Sikkim. He has made a huge name for himself all across the world. Now, how much of an inspiration is Danny sir for you, and what do you think is his contribution in getting Northeast on the international map and the Indian map?
Like you said it yourself, right? He's a very big name, and he's, I think, in general, also a lot of people respect him, irrespective of whether he's working now or not. So that just shows the legacy that he's left behind, and I think it feels very proud to be associated or coming from a state that he is coming from. And it's always like we've been seeing him on screen like since the time we can remember, and he's always been the reason a lot of people know where Sikkim is, for that matter. So it's very what should I say? I mean,
well, of course, like I said, when you talk about Danny,
I think not just. Sorry.
I have worked with him in a film, and plus he's acted in my father's film. There's so much of niceness about him. Besides that, also whenever I met him and everything, and that's what Sikkim is all about. There's a lot of warmth. If you met Danny sir, you would know what kind of a warm and welcoming person he is. Whether you're new, whether you worked a lot or whatever, there is a lot of warmth about it, and that is what is Sikkim. When you go over there, most of the people, I would say, everybody I interacted with, I got the same kind of vibe. There was so much of warmth there.
No, absolutely. I've been to Sikkim. I've been to Pelling and Gangtok and Shomgo Lake, which is absolutely amazing.
Really?
So, yeah. So
nice,
I think Sikkim is outstanding. So Sanjay sir, you've also recently earned a new sort of identity for yourself, and that is that as Mahip Kapoor's husband. Doing so well.
That's a new one I've got.
And we've come to know that how
very soon
you can be.
Karma's friend. In Northeast,
I think
Karma's friend.
Right, but I think she is amazing in the series, and it's a very interesting sort of. So how does that identity feel? And you come across as a very protective father to Shamaya, which you should be.
Yeah, I feel great. Aur kya chahiye? I feel very, very good. I'm sure, like I said, next time I go to Northeast, wo raha Karma ka dost ja raha. He was also part of that show. So, it's good. And, today, finally, there was, Mahip was not in front of the camera, finally did a show, which was such a huge success. And in a small way, even I contributed. So, abhi main kahin jata hu, to people recognize me 5% more thanks to my wife. So it's a great feeling.
I must add something to this. Yeah, half the time I used to tell Sanjay, when we were in Sikkim, we were shooting around Darjeeling, Kalimpong, I used to tell Sanjay post pack up. I used to tell him that I don't want to walk around with you, because half the time people are just asking me if they can come and take a picture with him.
No, of course, there's no doubt about that.